Rashidun went after Persians and Romans for. They did not go for dunya. They were not talibin of dunya. Remember the difference. Otherwise, they were also rebels against the established governments. And they were so good in their muamalat, in their treatment, that the people of Persia, the people of the Roman Byzantine empires and kingdoms, they joined in hands with these khulafa. They rebelled against their own rulers. So are they bughat? Are they rebels? The word rebel is a bad word, my brothers and sisters, especially for good people. He says, actually, they are not bughat. They are not rebels. Don't call them rebels. They are ahlul haqq. And he says, we don't have an evidence but the people of Sayyidina Hussein, the people of Harra, Medina, the people who made jihad against Hajjaj ibn Yusuf al-Thaqafi. Tens and thousands of these people. He says, فَهَؤُلَاءِ أَهْلُ